What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Join the Discord, link is below. Let me know what you think of all the videos, all the content, all that good stuff. I don't really have too much more to say apart from let's get into this. So it's quite rare to see a blue and white box. Normally they're red and white boxes on my channel. So we all know what this one is, the famous Adidas blue box. I'm bored of this as well, same as the Nike, but I don't buy enough Adidas trainers to really have a say, so it is what it is. So we've got the 3 stripes on the top, they go down the side, Adidas logo. They don't carry on to the bottom, it's just plain really, but they are on the other side, so you know they go all around. Enough of the box, let's get to the image. You know, I'm just gonna leave that in there because it's organic. Apart from the earthquake, I shouldn't say that. But yeah, let's just get into this one quick. Information on the box: Adifom Superstar. I'm just gonna say Adifom. I'm not saying FOM. It's a bit weird. So US 10.5, UK 10, F 44 and 2/3, D 10, J 285, CHN 275. Just sizing, I guess. I believe the style code is HQ8750. Colorway is C white, C black, C black. Made in China. Let's just get straight into this. So they are Adidas Superstars, but they're not the superstars we are used to seeing. Have a look at that, people. So straight off the bat, everyone's just going to say they're a rip-off of the Yeezys, which I probably totally agree with, to be honest. You know, this foam type of thing, you know, the Yeezy, can't remember the name of the Yeezy because I'm not really interested in it. Very similar to that, so the one piece, you know, printed or whatever you want to call it. Let's just get to the bottom, you know, sole that is loosely based on the Adidas Superstar. It is, you know, a bit more bigger, you know, thicker lines, etc. Midsole, normally I'd say that there isn't really a midsole. There is a line there though, but it's all one piece, which makes it kind of difficult to review. We've got the 3 stripes that Adidas is famous for. Very loosely based on the Adidas Superstar, if I'm honest. Then we've got the Adidas logo on the heel tab. It's not really a heel tab, it's just printed, but it does feel different. It is a different material. Then we got the shell toe, more like shell shoe. The whole thing is a shell toe, to be honest, the whole front. Then on this side we've got 2 holes and then the same 3 stripes. It is different material and it is slightly raised, I'd say, ever so slightly. And then they have an insole. I believe the Yeezy doesn't have an insole, and it's not glued in, so I can just take it out. But that's the insole. It is a firm, soft insole. Seems quite comfortable. And we've got a sticker on there actually, which is the same as the Yeezy, so they always stick the sizing on inside. So we've got Adifom Superstar 10 UK, which is what the shoe is and the size, and then the inside. So I believe you can also wear them without the insole. I don't know how comfortable that would be, but these are just wow, man. I honestly thought like these are fake or something, as in they wouldn't be real when I first saw the pictures, and then the Adidas actually have them, they've released them and everything. Wow, it's definitely a no from me. I have to say that. Nah, I can't do this. The shape is quite funny as well. Definitely a no from me. Definitely the most outrageous thing I've put on my channel. But yeah, people, let me know if you like them. Let me know if you hate them, if you rate them, if you have a pair, if you find them comfortable, whatever you want to say. Join the Discord. Click the bell icon, like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out every single video. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.